Hello viewers, welcome back to the Dr. Olubenga TV. I have a question before me which says, how can I start affiliate marketing? This is as a result of the video I did on how to start affiliate marketing step-by-step guide, which I did at the beginning of February 2024. Today is the 15th day of February 2024, and this question is coming, and I'm going to answer the question immediately. Starting affiliate marketing involves several key steps. Here is a beginner's guide to help you get started. Number one is that you have to choose a niche. Select a niche or industry that interests you and has a good potential for affiliate marketing. Consider your passions, consider your knowledge, and consider the needs of the target audience. Number two thing you need to do when you want to start affiliate marketing is to research affiliate programs. You have your phone with you, you have your laptop, you have your every kind of gadget you have with you. Go online and research affiliate programs. Just look for products that have affiliate program in this, in that, in this area, in that area, and you are going to see a lot of things you can go in for. So look for affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche. There are various affiliate networks and individual companies that offer programs. Popular affiliate networks include Impact. Another one is Amazon Associates. Another one is ClickBank. And we also have Share a Sale and others. Now, after you've done that, select relevant products or services. Choose products or services that are relevant to your niche and have the potential to solve problems or meet the needs of your audience. Ensure that the products align with your content. Build a platform is number 4. Establish an online presence through a blog, through a website, or through YouTube channel, or through social media platform. Your platform will be the primary space where you promote affiliate products. Consider using WordPress for a blog or creating a niche-focused social media account. So you can create a Facebook account and it is just for your niche. You're not going to be talking about, you can talk about your personal things, but you focus more on something related to that area of the niche you want to promote. Now, we have talked about building a platform, and a blog is one of it. I want to plead with you, if you don't know much about blogging, or you don't know how to design a blog or to maintain a blog, it's better you don't go for blogging. Use other social media platform or YouTube to start your platform building. If you want to go into YouTubing, I have a facility that trains people how to start YouTube channel. Nitty-gritty, you hold your hand from start and get you going. We charge 50,000 naira for that. Now, if you don't want to show your face in the video in the YouTube channel you want to create, I have you covered. InVideo app is what you're going to use. InVideo, InVideo. Now, this InVideo is a particular tool whereby you copy the script of your video and then you paste it inside of InVideo, and then InVideo transform it into video that you see the motion moving, detailing the environment you are mentioning or the places you are mentioning in your video or in your video or related to it. Now you can choose different voices inside of InVideo. You can choose a male voice, you can choose a female voice. Among the male voices, you can vary them. Now, InVideo costs just a little for 60 videos that you are going to produce in a month, and it's about $20 to thereabout. So my link to join InVideo is in the description section below. You may need to click it so that you can be able to join InVideo using that link, and then when you eventually pay for the service for the InVideo, you register and then you make payment. I'm going to get a cut if you pay within a number of days on InVideo. Now, after you build a platform, the 5th thing you need to do is to create quality content. Produce valuable and relevant content that addresses the interests and concerns of your target audience. Content can include blog posts, articles, videos, or social media posts. If you buy or register with InVideo and you make payment within 30 days, I have volunteered to give you content YouTube scripts that you are going to enter into InVideo for the first 60 YouTube videos you are going to provide, you are going to make from that. I will give you the script that you're going to use. So if you are registered using my link, there's a way I can track it, and you paid for in video, you can contact me for the CC scripts and I'm going to send it to you. Number 6 thing you need to do is to understand your audience. Gain a deep understanding of your target audience. Know their preferences, know their challenges, and what motivates them. Tailor your content and promotions to resonate with your audience. Number 7 is to use effective marketing channels. Employ various marketing channels to promote your affiliate products. This may include content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, and SEO. Diversifying your channels can help you reach a broader audience. Number 8 is disclose your affiliate relationships. Be transparent with your audience. Disclose your affiliate relationships and make it clear when you are promoting affiliate products. Honesty builds trust with your audience. See, many people tell lies on the social media. They tell lies and real life, and people know. Now you come on social media, people that don't know you, they now come around you and you are telling them lies. They will know when you are telling them lies, or if they don't know, the day they know, they will not trust you again. So let them trust you by telling them the truth that if they use your affiliate link in registering, you are going to make some money. And that is cool because they will start the affiliate programs and you also can support them and other people are going to buy from them. Number 9 thing you need to do when you're starting affiliate marketing is to optimize your conversions. Learn about conversion optimization. This includes using compelling calls to action, optimizing landing pages, and tracking the performance of your affiliate links. Number 10 is track and analyze performance. Use tracking tools and analytics to monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts. Understand which products and strategies are generating results and refine your approach accordingly. Number 11 thing you need to do is to stay compliant. Familiarize yourself with affiliate marketing regulations and guidelines. Different affiliate programs may have specific rules, so make sure you comply with them to avoid any issues. Number 12 is to scale your efforts. As you gain experience and see positive results, consider scaling your efforts. Explore additional affiliate programs, test new strategies, and continuously refine your approach. Remember that success in affiliate marketing takes time and persistence. Stay consistent, continually learn and adapt your strategies based on the feedback and data you receive. So this is how you can start affiliate marketing even this year, 2024, or any other year. I believe you have gained value, and if you have gained value from this video, go ahead and share the link of this video with others, subscribe, and then drop your comment and questions in the comment section below. Until I come your way again next time, still talking about affiliate marketing. This video popping up by the side is the next to be watched. Go ahead and watch it. See you soon. Bye.